अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि हमारी हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। हमने जहां लेक्चर छोड़ा था चैप्टर नंबर 2 का, आज हम वहीं से अपना लेक्चर कंटिन्यू करेंगे। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं अपने लेक्चर की तरफ। प्रोटीन्स फ्रॉम द सेल स्ट्रक्चर्स। आज हम पढ़ेंगे फंक्शंस ऑफ प्रोटीन। प्रोटीन्स के कौन कौन से फंक्शन हो सकते हैं। प्रोटीन फ्रॉम द सेल स्ट्रक्चर एंड बॉडी ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म and they from seeds and other parts in plants. They produce plasma membrane and other organs in the cell. They produce a certain substance in the bodies of animals which take part in the formations of skin, muscles, nails and hairs. Hemoglobins of blood also contain proteins. Proteins also help in digestion of food, expansions and contractions of muscles and clotting of blood. Protein also prepare enzymes. They are organic crystals which increase the rate of chemical reactions. Proteins act as a hormone, growth factors and gene activators. Protein also act as antibodies, antigens and fibrin etc. What are the carbohydrates and what are their types? These are organic compound composite of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Their amount is about 1% in the protoplasm. They occur in all living organisms. According to the size of the molecule, the carbohydrates are classified into 3 groups: monosaccharide, oligosacharide, polysaccharide. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स कितने ग्रुप में डिवाइड किया गया है? मोनो मीन्स 1, ओलिगो मीन्स 2, पोली मीन्स मैनी। मोनोसेक्राइड क्या होते हैं? दीज आर द कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स। ये क्या है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स है विच कैन नॉट बी फर्दर चेंज इनटू सिंपल शुगर में चेंज नहीं हो सकता, जैसे ग्लूकोज एंड फ्रक्टोज है। अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर्स ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स द कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स। कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में हमारा क्या होता है? Triosis. These sugars contain 3 carbon atoms. Tritose 4 carbon atoms. Pentose 5. Hexose 6. All the monosaccharides are found in white solid crystals. They have a sweet taste and easily soluble in water. The monosaccharides are mostly found in various fruits and vegetables. Glucose and fructose are present in grapes. Fructose is the sweetest sugar. It is also found in honey, in milk. Lactose sugars is present and galactose is a part of it. The glucose, fructose and galactose are the hexose sugars. Oligosaccharides. These carbohydrates are composed of 2 to 10 monosaccharides compounds and on hydrolysis these oligosaccharides produce 2 to 10 monosaccharides molecules. These carbohydrates are formed by the union of 2 similar or different sugar. This chemical process is called condensation. कंडेंशन मैंने आपको पिछले लेक्चर में बताया था कि कंडेंशन होता क्या है। in which a water molecule is liberated. The examples of disaccharides are follow. ग्लूकोज मिलेगा तो माल्टोस मिलेगा प्लस में वाटर। ग्लूकोज फ्रैक्टोस मिलेगा तो सक्रोस प्लस में वाटर। ग्लूकोज गैलेक्टोस मिलेगा तो लैक्टोस यानी कि मिल्क। सक्रोस इज द कॉमन शुगर विच इज़ वाइडली यूज्ड. It is often from sugar cane or beet. It is formed by the combinations of glucose and fructose. Sugar cane and beet are cultivated for the production of sucrose. Polysaccharide. Polysaccharides are the carbohydrates which are formed by the combinations of many monosaccharides, starch, glycogen, cellulose, etc. What is starch? Starch Starch, it is a composite of many glucose molecules which are linked together in a straight or a branch manner. The starch is present in the leaves, roots and seeds in granular form. For examples, wheat, potato, rice, etc. It is insoluble in water, but when boiled it becomes soluble by hydrolysis. It is broken into simple sugars and take part in the production of energy by oxidation. What is glucose? What is glycogen? Glycogen is the animal starch. Glycogen is an animal starch when many glucose molecules are linked together in chain-like manners. Glycogen is in form. It occurs in the muscles and liver of animals. It is also found in bacteria and fungi. The glycogen is prepared by the liver, which convert the extra glucose into the glycogen. The glycogen is stored in the liver and the muscles. When there is a shortage of glucose in the bodies, then glycogen is again converted into glucose. जब हमारी बॉडी में ना ग्लूकोज की कमी हो जाती है, जो ग्लाइकोजन है ना वो कन्वर्ट हो जाता है दोबारा ग्लूकोज में प्रोड्यूस और एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करता है. दिस वे द अमाउंट ऑफ ग्लूकोज रिमेन इन बैलेंस इन द ब्लड ऑफ द बॉडी. द ग्लाइकोजन इज इनसॉल्युबल इन वाटर. व्हाट इज सेल्यूलोज? सेल्यूलोज क्या होता है? Cellulose, it is composed of many molecules of glucose, about 2000 to 3000. It is only found in the bodies of plants and occur in the cell wall. In the body of animals, the cellulose cannot be digested by enzyme. In their digestion, some special bacteria take part, which are present in the caecum of alimentary canal. This bacteria digest the cellulose by the actions of certain enzymes. What are the functions of carbohydrates? हम कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स के फंक्शन पढ़ेंगे. Carbohydrates produce energy by oxidation, which is used in the various functions. Carbohydrates may be changed into the other substance. The extra amount of glucose in plant is converted into starch, which can be changed again into glucose at the time of requirement. In animals, they are changed into glycogen. The complex carbohydrates molecules from the bodies of living organisms, they also make the organs strong. Cellulose is also formed carbohydrates in plants. कल हम what are the lipids, name the different types of lipids को कंटिन्यू करेंगे. इंशाल्लाह कल हम अपना आगे का लेक्चर कंटिन्यू करेंगे. आज का लेक्चर यहाँ तक ख़त्म हुआ. और अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि हमारी हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके. थैंक यू.